Welcome to Progressus Therapy's Databasics training. Databasics is our time reporting system, and it's often referred to as eTime. During this training, you will learn how to access and log into Databasics, opening a new timesheet, recording hours paid and unpaid, and submitting your timesheet. Once you have received notification from your HR generalist that you have been set up in the system, you can access Databasics on the following website. For optimal viewing on a PC, use either Internet Explorer 8 or Firefox 3.6. Also, for optimal viewing on Macintosh, use Firefox 3.6. This site is not certified for Apple Safari, iPhones, iPads, or smartphones. Logging in. Your login is your last name and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Your initial password is password, all lowercase. The system will prompt you to change your password when you first log in. Your new password must be 8 characters long and include 1 capital letter and 1 number. Follow the prompts to change your password and re-log in with your new password. Opening a new timesheet. Click on Timesheets. This will bring up your current timesheet, 3 previous weeks, and 3 upcoming weeks. Click the down arrow next to Timesheets to view My Current Timesheet, which shows the current timesheet that is due. Timesheet List shows 6 weeks of timesheets, 3 previous and 3 upcoming. Timesheet Query, access to the timesheets from a date range. Select Sunday for the start date and Saturday for the end date. Your current timesheet will always be highlighted in green. Click on the week that you need to record time for. Recording hours. Click Add Row to start entering your hours. Select the time code. Click the magnifying glass under the time code to select the appropriate code. The default code is reg. Use this code to record hours worked that are billable. Below is a list of all the time codes. The most commonly used one is reg. Project codes. Select your project code. Click the magnifying glass under project code. This will bring up the project search screen. Click on the blue search button. Do not type anything in the search bar. Select the district or client you will need to bill hours for. Entering time in and time out. Click on the small time clock under the days of the week. Enter in your hours worked. Enter in your start time, time you left for lunch, time you got back from lunch, and the time you left for the day. If you are working in California, you must record a lunch if you've worked more than 6 hours that day. Be sure not to exceed your allotted hours per day designated by your district. Once you have your hours entered, click Apply. This will enter your total hours worked under each day. Click Update. Repeat the previous steps if you have multiple projects or time off. You do not need to enter time in, time out for paid time off or unpaid time. Choose the appropriate code and enter the number of hours missed. Please be sure each week's hours, paid and unpaid, total to the amount of hours that you've been allotted by your district. Submitting timesheets. Click Submit Timesheet. The system will let you know if your timesheet passed validation. If it does not, you will need to correct the error before submitting. Then click Next. Confirm your timesheet is correct and click Finished. Your timesheet should now have the release status. Reminders. Your timesheet is due on a weekly basis. It is due by Saturday at midnight local time. If your timesheet isn't submitted by the deadline, it will not be approved on time and can result in a delay of your pay. Submit all supplemental documentation to your eTime approver each week along with your timesheet. Contact your clinical manager or human resources generalist if you have any questions.